Hey, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Lenny. Right now I'm just getting ready, just got changed actually, and we are about to go head out and do some nice shots of the Accord today. Tucker is actually shooting a full feature film for Cars and Coffee coming up next weekend, so I think that'll pop out around Thanksgiving time. So make sure you guys go subscribe to his channel, link down in the description below. But right now, let's go get the car ready. And John is actually, he lives in the same complex. He's actually going to help us with the rollers. And Tucker's on his way now. He's grabbing some McDonald's. I haven't eaten yet today, so that is what I'm having as well. I'll catch you guys when he's here. Let's go. Alrighty guys, it is a little rainy out here, so hopefully it doesn't persist and we can actually get some nice shots today. I'm heading over to the car right now. I'm gonna get that all warmed up. It's nice to see all the Subarus out here. Hell yeah. But oh god, I thought I lost the Accord for a second. It was kind of hiding behind that blue car. You can hardly see the fucking ducktail on it. That really scared me for a second because I thought somebody towed my car and somebody replaced that spot. But it's kind of tough to tow the car when it's aired out. Don't you guys just love that sound? My whole car is completely dirty right now, so hopefully it'll look good still on video. It is all black. My wheels are pretty dirty and they collect water, so see what happens. Alrighty guys, I got John over here. He's gonna be camera car today, and Tucker is just rolling in right there. Come on buddy, oh you can make it, you can make the speed bump. Oh, it's too low, bro. That's funny as fuck. But yeah guys, going to be shooting some dank video today. It's gonna be sick. I just got the food with him. Hell yeah. Let's get it. Let's go, boy. Hey, so I'm gonna have you actually. Thank you. Oh, bless, man.
I have my food in there too.
Hell yeah. Okay, so I think the game plan is we're gonna go ahead and have you ride with John, and then I'll let you lead because I don't know exactly where we're gonna go.
Yeah.
And then we can do rollers after the fact, like.
Yeah.
Afterwards.
Yeah.
We find a nice spot.
Yeah.
But
I have no idea what we're gonna do for the second shoot spot.
Okay.
Because what I'm doing with all of the Cars and Cigars after movies, right? I'm doing each one. Yeah, right? Sequential. Yeah, so we ended Nick's shoot down on the marina and that dock that you can drive onto. I don't know where our second spot's gonna be, so we'll have to think that up. Nice. But essentially, we'll do rollers to the spot.
Oh, okay. Yeah, right on, dude. That'd be sick. That'd be sick.
That we're gonna do, and then I'll do the next shoot at that spot. I'll start it there.
Heck yeah. Well, I can't wait to do it. So we'll probably actually move your car into where I'm parked right now because it's a visitor, or that one right there that's opened up. Just so you don't get towed or anything. Totally. And then yeah, we can just get loaded up and head out.
Sick.
For sure.
I'm down. Let's get it.
Let's go, boys. Huge shout out to Tucker for the McChickens, dude. I'm so hungry. I haven't eaten. We're rolling out right now, so we're gonna go hit the spot. It's gonna be the marina area, and then we'll find some roller spots. It's gonna be sick. Hopefully he doesn't try to shoot too much of my interior because it's kind of a mess right now. Got this free cup from Starbucks yesterday. It's kind of lit. I absolutely love being downtown when I'm in this car. Just hell yeah, it sounds fucking nice. Alrighty guys, let's see how I did on parking. Did I do a good job? Did I do a good job? Woo! Hell yeah, bro. That's sick as fuck. I love that.
Air out, brother. Air out.
Alright, alright. Do you want to get me airing out?
No, I'll do that second spot.
Okay, cool.
Airing out, going out.
That's sick. Here, you want to hold this while I air out?
Yeah. Here, we got to get that squat in the rear.
I know.
Ooh. Get it, boy. Get it. Oh.
Got cameras on cameras, boys. Oh yeah. Like I said, guys, make sure you go check out Tucker's channel for this content.
Damn close to 1K, boys.
He's so close to 1K, about to get monetized, so make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. And make sure you hit it here as well if you haven't already. We'll be dropping some more Accord content. As soon as I go back for Thanksgiving, I'm gonna go grab all of my car parts. So we should be able to do some work. So you remember what I said earlier about him not shooting the interior? Well, he's shooting the interior, so I gotta clean up.
Of course I'm shooting the interior. No.
Like all the trash in the doors.
I need as many shots as I can get. Of course I'm shooting the interior.
That's funny as fuck. I just have so much crap in here. Like 15 amp fuses. Does that look good?
Oh yeah.
Hell yeah.
Saucy.
So bad.
Saucy.
So dirty in here. It is super cool seeing the car being shot not by me, guys. This is so exciting for me. I have not had like an actual edit done of this car besides Alex's edit, but we didn't get any rollers during that time and I really wanted to do rollers, so shout out to the boys for hooking it up with rolling car and rolling footage today. This is gonna be so sick, and hopefully we'll be able to include some of that in this video as well. I'll talk to Tucker and see if we can get some of that footage for you guys. It's gonna be sick. Alrighty guys, so we are actually about to hop up on the car right now. This is kind of scary, actually. I'm gonna put you guys down real quick. But I think Tucker had a really great idea for this. Should I actually do like a vlog outro?
You absolutely can.
Absolutely a beautiful day today, but it is really dark already because it's like middle of winter. Sun goes down at like 4:37, which is insane because it's already almost 4, so we barely have any sunlight left. So hopefully we can get all the shots before everything goes dark. Alrighty, here we go. We're about to go do rollers. Got the camera car outside there. Tucker's about to grab some nice rolling shots. Hopefully we can keep as aired out as possible, so a nice smooth road. And yeah, it's gonna be so fun. I'm excited. Wish I had the GoPro right now so I could have him the entire time just hanging out of that car. What up?
So you know the drill, right? Yeah. So I'll have you a lot closer than you think you should be.
Yep. Just make sure he doesn't hit brakes.
Yeah, no, essentially. And we're just going out to the stop sign and then I'll close the hatch. We'll go around the corner. As soon as we see there's no cop, I'll open the hatch again.
Go.
Awesome.
Sounds good.
You're doing?
What? I just grabbed the camera.
I know.
Boy.
I'm just saying. I'm just saying.
I wanted to record too, man.
You want to record too?
He's gonna start editing already, bro. It's crazy. That was so fun. Thank you so much, Tucker.
Absolutely.
Appreciate it. Thank you, John, for driving.
I was nervous about that, but I was glad it came though.
But yeah, the rollers turned out absolutely amazing. I just saw them. Oh boy. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. Make sure you subscribe to him as well. That shit's dropping like tomorrow. I think it's probably gonna have already dropped by the time this video is out. So make sure you check out the link in the description below, and I'll catch you guys next time.